Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to choose the recording layout for your sessions. The recording layout determines how your sessions will be captured and displayed. Let's explore the options available. You can have different recording configurations to choose from. You can opt for recording with screen content and cameras, maximum 2 cameras, recording with just the camera view, or record screen only. Once you've selected your recording configuration, you can also decide where the camera view will appear on the recorded output. You have 3 options for camera placement. The auto option, also known as picture-in-picture, will automatically position the camera view, usually on the top of the screen. You can choose to align the camera view to the right side of the screen, or you can align it to the left side of the screen, and there you have it. That's how you select the recording layout in Roombr.